Welcome to DH Cars. Today's kind of a interesting day, but let me show you what we're doing. Alright, so we towed Hooker here. You guys don't know Hooker. He's a 1975 International 200, just like Clifford. And you guys know Clifford. I've had him for years. But he is a wrecker with 19,000 original miles. The engine was seized. I haven't done much to it, but I did work on it for a little bit. I rebuilt the carburetor that's on it. The spark plugs are out of it. I have it soaking in Marble Mystery Oil right now to hopefully turn it over. It also seems like the transmission is seized because it won't roll in neutral, but if you press the clutch, it'll roll. So that's gonna be an issue. The Galaxy's here, obviously. Boat that this was in that spot, and that was here. Got this out because this leaves. I put that there. This was here today, but I moved it because Clifford is gonna go in that spot. But first, we have to put the Studebaker sideways behind the WRX. So it's gonna sit, WRX is gonna sit up here, and the Studebaker is gonna sit sideways right here. The engine compartment will be in this area, so that way when I back Clifford in here, the frame can hang over, because it's a 10-foot frame, so it's going to have to hang over a little bit. See? And then this is going to go right there in front of the Passat. But on the way here, the wheel bearing on the truck's exploded. So I'm trying to find a wheel bearing for it, because it's a 7 lug, so no one has it in stock. Because I have to fix it today. I got more shit to move. And then the rollback is coming up here today too. So, and I need the truck to push the rollback in here. And that trailer was supposed to be back at the place that I rented it from 2 hours ago. So, I'm tired. It's been a long day already. I'm not done yet. This is frustrating. I got everything out, truck backed in, started unloading. We're about to put it on the back dollies. My helper today. That's unloaded. We pushed it over there by just me and her. I guess that's good enough. Yeah. Now I gotta get the trailer out of here. And then I take the trailer back. But like I said, the wheel bearing on the front of the truck is fucked. So I'm not driving it back like that. We're behind schedule. Alright, so the plan was to put Clifford there, but the Studebaker is actually too long that the Clifford would not fit. So what we did was we put the WRX and the Passat there, and now we're trying to get Clifford in there. He won't fit though, so we're probably going to have to move this truck over. But if I put Clifford in nose first, it would fit, I think. Barely. So, we're trying to figure this out, but we gotta get the rollback in here yet. So that's a main issue. And I don't want to block the door either, so the rollback has to go ideally right here. if we put Clifford there, put the rollback right there, so that we have this entire spot open. This is really complicated. Alright guys, it's the next day. Obviously you see I'm at home. Let me show you what's been done. So we got everything out of the storage unit. The truck made it home. I got the trailer back, but I just jacked it up and up. So yeah, that's done. I just ordered a wheel bearing for it. The only thing holding this wheel on this truck right now is the axle nut. Here is part of the bearing, and as you can see, it's seen better days. So the next video will be us fixing this, but I'm going to Virginia today, pick up an engine for my dad. So that'll be Tuesday when the wheel bearing comes. But we're doing this side, and we decided to do this side right away because this side's getting tired too. So we're gonna do both sides and get it done. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. I'll see you in the next one.